Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the password to your Apple ID. So you have an Apple ID that you use all your Apple devices with. There you have all your photos and contacts and other things backed up, and for some reason you feel like your password is not secure enough or your security is getting breached and you want to change the password to your Apple account, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a password to your Apple ID. Now, the first thing you want to do in order to change your Apple ID password is open your browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Once you go to appleid.apple.com, make sure you're logged into the Apple account that you want to change the password to. If not, log into that account and you'll land on an interface like this. From here, what you want to do to change your Apple ID password is scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll see a section labeled as security. In that section, you'll see an option labeled as change password. To change your Apple ID password, click on that option. Once you click on that option, a new window will open. Here, what Apple will do is ask you to enter a current password in order to create a new password for your Apple ID. So go ahead and enter your current password. Once you enter your current password, go ahead and create a new password for your Apple ID. Once you create a new password for your Apple ID, confirm that password. Once you do that, you have an option to sign out of all devices and websites using the Apple ID. If you want to do that, check this box or else leave it as it is. Then scroll down and click on change password button. Once you click on the change password button, you'll successfully change the password to your Apple ID. Now you can use your Apple ID with no fear of security breach. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.